As a designer, you have already heard of Midjourney, a pretty popular text-to-image tool that has been around for a while. But in today's video, I want to talk to you about a new tool, a great alternative to Midjourney. It is an AI image generator that I have been using almost daily, and its name is Leonardo. Don't get me wrong, I love Midjourney and I use it all the time, but I always like to see if there is something better. In fact, no AI-powered tool is perfect and there is always room for improvement. And don't forget, the AI industry moves so quickly that there is always something new and interesting just released. That is why I was interested when I heard people talking about Leonardo. I didn't have high expectations, since Midjourney has set the bar pretty high, but I wanted to check it out and see what it had to offer. So, the question is Leonardo a good alternative to Midjourney? We will get to that in a bit, but first let me show you how you can sign up for the platform. First, head over to the official Leonardo AI website. Once you are there, you will see a sign up for exclusive early bird access. Just enter your email address and you are all set. After you submit your email, you will receive a message from the Leonardo team with more information about the platform. They will let you know that you are one of the lucky few who get early access to the production suite. The email also mentions that if you are an active member of the community, you get free tokens and early access to upcoming features. However, if you want to gain even higher priority, you can join the Discord server and find a special invitation form to fill out. That's what I did, and it only took 4 days for my email address to be whitelisted and for me to get full access to the Leonardo app. So, to get started with this tool, open the Leonardo app and take a quick look at the community field. You will notice that the images here are of high quality, just like those created by Midjourney. Once you are in the app, you will see that you can choose from a variety of platform models to generate your images. Each model comes with a description and sample images to give you an idea of what to expect. Clicking on a model opens up a sleek UI where you can enter your prompt, adjust the model and image sizes, and set the guidance scale. And when you are ready, just hit the generate button to create your images. Now, let's take a look at the basic principles and elements of the Leonardo AI functionality. On the left panel, you will see the number of tokens you have left, which you can easily increase if needed. Keep in mind that the cost of generation will increase with the number of images you create, so choose wisely. One of my favorite features is the prompt magic, which gives you more control over how closely the image generator follows your prompts. With this feature, I can create images that are just what I'm looking for. If you are on a paid plan, you also have the options to keep your generated images private. I prefer this option since I am currently selling some of the work I create with this tool. Finally, you can adjust the image resolution in the next section. As you can see, this tool has a super friendly and easy to use interface. Now let's discuss how to work with the central panel of the Leonardo app. Here, you can find a section where you enter your prompt for generating images. You can also choose the image generation mode and the style that suits your future image. Additionally, you also have the option to write negative prompts, which means adding things you don't want to appear in your images. And the best part, when you click on the generate button, the image generation starts instantly. And the button also indicates how many tokens this generation will cost. Now let's get into more details about the fine-tuned panel. When you click on it, you will see a list of fine-tuned models that you can use for image generations. These models significantly affect the resulting image output and give it a unique style. Every user of Leonardo gets a set of pre-made models, but if you want to find something even more specific, you can click on the Select Custom Model option and search the library of community models. And if you like some of the fine-tuned models, you can bookmark them and they will appear in the favorite model section. Creating your own models is also possible, and I will explain more about it in the next videos. But for now, let's try generating some images with the fine-tuned models we have. I have already created some text prompts, and you can see that the tool is quite fast when generating images from my prompts. Now I will show you how the fine-tuned model and the prompt magic feature can affect the resulting images and how different they can be. Once you have generated images that you like, you can also upscale them. Leonardo includes multiple upscale options, each for different types of images. You can even compare here each of the upscaled images to see the slight differences. Now, you might be wondering how much it would cost for image generation. To be honest, at the time of recording this video, Leonardo has a free plan where you can 150 fast generations per day. However, I like this tool so much that I'm paying $12 per month to get more than 8,000 tokens. And in my opinion, it is worth because I'm currently using Leonardo for my print-on-demand business and I'm very satisfied. In conclusion, if you are looking for a powerful, user-friendly and free image editing tool that leverages the latest AI technology, then Leonardo AI is an excellent choice. Sign up for the free account today and start taking your image editing skills to the next level. So I hope this video has been helpful to you, and if you have any questions, feel free to use the comment section and I will try to reply soon as possible.